boy. Good boy. So, sorry about that. So this is Scarecrow, and this is his inhaler. This is his chamber. Since he's a kitty, he doesn't know how to use this. So we put it in like this, we puff it, and he breathes in this way. So usually I shake it up a bit, and then I will puff and put it on his little nose. Good boy. You're a good boy. Like such. And he does 10 breaths. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Good boy. Oh my goodness. He is so good. And then, want a tweet? Want a tweet? Want a treat? Come on. Let's go get a treat. Let's go get a treat, Bubba.